Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the Find Time feature in Microsoft Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, log into your Microsoft account. This will load your inbox and give you access to all of Outlook's scheduling features. After you've logged in and your emails have loaded, you're ready to start using the Find Time functionality. Now, to begin using Find Time in Microsoft Outlook, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New with a drop-down arrow next to it. Go ahead and click on this drop-down to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Mail to open a new email composition window. This is where you'll be able to set up your scheduling poll and send meeting invitations to your attendees. Once the email composition window appears on your screen, you're ready to access the Find Time function. Look at the top of the window and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains various tools and features you can add to your emails, including the scheduling capabilities we need. Within the Insert tab, you'll notice a section called Find Time, and underneath it, you'll see the Scheduling Poll option. This is the available Find Time function that Outlook 365 offers, making it incredibly easy to coordinate meetings without the endless back and forth emails. Click on Scheduling Poll, and a Scheduling Poll window will slide in from the right side of your screen. This panel gives you full control over your meeting details. Here, you'll need to add in several important pieces of information. Start by selecting your time zone to ensure everyone is on the same page regardless of where they're located. Next, specify the meeting duration so attendees know exactly how much time to block off. Then, choose the date options you want to propose for the meeting. Once you've configured these settings, the scheduling poll will be sent as a schedule suggestion to all your meeting attendees, allowing them to vote on the times that work best for them. This feature saves you from the hassle of manually coordinating schedules and helps you find the perfect meeting time efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Find Time scheduling poll in Microsoft Outlook, making meeting coordination much simpler and more efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.